While he's been in charge, there have been 10,185 executions in Venezuela, right? 17,400 political arrests. 3,500 people have disappeared. 1,650 people have been tortured, and more than 2,000 political prisoners right now. And in the period of his presidency, which is coming on for 10 years, there have been 332,617 violent deaths. That's almost as bad as South Africa. But is this the guy you need to protect? And this has become the problem in the world. He's clearly a bad guy. He clearly needs to be taken out of his position, but he holds a joke of an election, which makes him an elected leader, you know, a bit like the old Robert Mugabe election, or that beautiful election that happened in Tanzania, where the women got 98% of the vote. Hey, South Africa endorses the election, therefore it must be free and fair.